Hi everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tours. In today's video, I'm giving you a tour of the Sheraton Park Hotel at the Anaheim Resort. The Sheraton Park Hotel at the Anaheim Resort is rated number 47 out of 130 hotels in Anaheim at the time of filming. The Sheraton is about 0.8 of a mile or a 16-minute walk to the harbor entrance of Disneyland. Alternatively, you can walk to Disneyland's Toy Story lot, which is about a 7 to 10 minute walk, and take a free Toy Story shuttle to Disneyland. I booked a 2-queen room in this freshly renovated hotel, and so far I'm very pleased with the overall layout. The room here is a little bit tight, but I think a family of 4 can stay here comfortably. Behind this lamp here are 2 plugs and 2 USBs. On this side of the bed, there are also 2 plugs and 2 USBs. What I always love about hotel rooms is when they give you another option to sit, a more comfortable option. Another nice feature of this room, there is an end table here, which is a nice place to put a drink if you are sitting in this chair, or the person sleeping on this side of the bed can use this as a nightstand. Additionally, over here, there are 2 plugs and 2 USBs on the side of the bed. There's this little eating nook here. There's 1 chair and this bench here that you can pull the table towards, and this is a comfortable area to have a quick meal, breakfast, or have your morning coffee. In this table, there are 3 plugs and a USB-A and a USB-C for charging. One other feature I wanted to point out with this table, it will rise by holding this up button. So if you are a taller person and need more room, you can press this button. Or if you need a little, and it gets pretty tall, almost bar height, and let's go ahead and run this all the way up. And that's as high as it goes. Or you can lower it by pressing this button. I've never seen this in a hotel in the Anaheim area, and it's a nice little feature. In this area of the hotel room, you have this bench that I mentioned that you can use with this table, and then you have a luggage area where you can place your luggage. And it looks like you can get either 1 large suitcase in here or maybe 2 of the smaller carry-on suitcases. I have my backpack here, and there's plenty of room. Below that are 2 drawers you can use for clothing or whatever else that you see fit. Over here, this is the wardrobe, where you will find the ironing board and iron and hangers. Next to that is the refrigerator here, and it's a smaller refrigerator. Here you have the coffee pot, and there's a selection of coffees in there, and then you have the ice bucket. We always like to point out when there's an extra mirror to get ready in, and this is a nice full-length mirror. Problem I see is it's a little dark, so if you need light to get ready, this may not be the best area, but if you just need a mirror to do your hair or whatever else, this works out perfectly. This is a smaller room, and if you have a pack and play or portable crib, it would be a real tight fit in here. I think you might be able to squeeze it in by the comfortable chair by the balcony, but there's not a lot of extra space for portable cribs in this room. This hotel does have a couple different bathroom layouts. I happen to get the layout with a shower and a smaller vanity. What's nice about this vanity, there is some storage underneath. There's not a ton of counter space here. If you are a family that has a lot of things, this may be a little tighter area to fit your stuff in. There is a shelf where I have my camera mounted, and there are 3 shelves there, with includes 3 towels, 3 washcloths, and some hand towels, and you can probably rearrange that stuff to put more items there. This hotel does charge a fee for a 4th person, so if you are a family of 4, there is an additional person charge. The shower here is, like I said, it's a shower, glass enclosure. I'm 6 foot tall and my hand's fully extended, so the shower head is a bit high. So if you're on the shorter side, you may have a hard time adjusting the shower head, but this shower is long, so you can stand back here and get plenty of space and distance so you can get the water level to your liking. There's a wand here that does come out, and you can use that separately from the shower head, and it's kind of a nice little touch. Now on the balcony here, what I like about it is it's a great place to relax after a long day in the park. You can have your morning coffee or do whatever you like out on this balcony. I have a view of the pool, and the grounds here are very beautiful. There are 2 chairs and a table. The balcony is a little dirty, nothing that would keep me from using it. I am staying in this room by myself, and I will be posting an overnight experience of this hotel. In the meantime, go ahead and click the link here for a similar hotel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.